Hi, my name is Ruby from What a Simple Life. Today we're going to do a deep breathing to help you release stress and tension in your body. And let's get started. In this exercise, I will share how deep breathing practice can influence your autonomic nervous system and relax your body, improve your immune system. When was the last time you really thought about your breath? Your breath is the only thing that control which enables you to proactively affect your own involuntary nervous system, as known as autonomic nervous system. So it's pretty cool that you can use specific technique of breathing to decrease the sympathetic nervous system and increase the parasympathetic nervous system. Why is this important? Because when the sympathetic nervous system is dominated, your breathing is fast, short, and shallow, and believed to be the major contributor to migraine and chronic pain all kind. When the parasympathetic nervous system is activated, you breathe slower, deeper, and longer, restore the balance your system, and optimizing your health. Your goal is breath work to change your breathing qualities. The goal of this exercise is to focus on making your breath deeper, longer, quieter, regular, and slower as often as possible. The more often you do this, the more often you put the parasympathetic nervous system in the driver's seat and calm down the sympathetic nervous system in the depth of mindfulness. There's a distinction between the breather and the breath. There is a less distinction between breather and the breath, the feeler and the feeling, the experiencer and the experience. They start to blend to become one in the same. Deep breathing exercise have a variety of benefits physically, emotionally, and spiritually as well. So using the breath as the focal point double the physical, emotional, and spiritual benefit that you can feel on daily basis. So let's do a guided mindful breathing exercise to emphasize this technique. Make your breath deeper, longer, quieter, regular, and slower. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Let's do it one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Excellent. Well done. So let's recap. So it's pretty cool that you use specific technique of breathing to decrease the sympathetic nervous system and increase the parasympathetic nervous system. Why is this important? Because when the sympathetic nervous system is dominant, your breathing is fast, short, and shallow, and believed to be a major contributor to migraines and chronic pain of all kinds. The goal of this exercise is to focus on making your breath deeper, longer, quieter, regular, and slower as often as possible. The more often you do this, the more often put the sympathetic nervous system in the driver's seat and calm down the sympathetic nervous system. I hope this has been useful for you, and thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a good rest of your day.